All right, I'm here with Anna. She's my best friend and she knows everything about beauty, and she's gonna teach me how to make do an easy mom look. Just don't know much about it. I'm usually I just put mascara on, but every once in a while, if I'm doing family pictures or I want to go out to dinner, I just want something fast, easy, and she's gonna help me do that whole look.
High impact, low effort.
Yes. So we went to Ulta and Target and got everything we needed to do this fun look, and I'm super excited. So let's get started. All right, we just walked into Ulta. I have no idea what I'm doing, but luckily my good friend Anna does. The best eyeshadow palette. I've been debating buying this for ever.
It's time to do it. And you liked it too.
Just $30 on makeup?
You would spend $30 at Chick-fil-A and not blink.
Yeah, it's true. We got some stuff here. Now we're gonna go to Target and get some other stuff. We put makeup on my face before we came to figure out kind of what I wanted to get. So this is kind of the look we're going for. And of course, I'll show you everything. I can see how it could be overwhelming. I walk in here and I'm overwhelmed. I have no idea what I'm doing. So I'm glad Anna's here with me. We got it. Let's do this. Here's our first product.
So we're gonna start, because Jen's not used to wearing a lot of base coverage, we're gonna sheer it out using illuminating lotion. Really great for that. It adds a little bit of shimmer, and it also helps the foundation to spread a little more and be a little bit more translucent. And the foundation we're using is a L'Oreal Age Perfect Serum Foundation. It's really dewy and really nourishing for the skin. So
now, how much?
About $10. You're good.
Okay. And that was the
Lumi Lotion.
Yeah.
In the shade.
Now, how much do I put?
About the same.
Okay. All right, here we go. So I'm just gonna
rub it together.
Rub it together like lotion.
And then on your face.
Okay, I just rubbed it in like lotion, which I like.
Yes.
I like that step. That's
really easy. You do have to clean your hands after, but it's super easy to get on the face. You don't need a brush or any tools. And it gives a really natural finish, but it evens out your skin tone.
Yeah.
And it doesn't look like you've got heavy makeup on.
Okay, we just got the foundation on. Let's do the next one. Okay, next step is
concealer. So next step, we're looking to brighten under Jen's eyes and cover up any spots she might have.
So now places to put the concealer.
So because of the sponge tip, it's kind of foolproof. So you're just going to put a few dots under each eye and do a little bit more product. Perfect. Just bounce that.
I've never used.
Now that we've done the cream products and we've got the base and it's all evened out the way we want, we're going to add some color back in and some dimension. So we're going to start with bronzer. This is Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in a deep shade, because Jen's already got a nice oliveness to her skin, so we can afford to go that little bit deeper.
Okay, what's a good bronzer brush?
I like a bigger brush for the bronzer. So we're going to come in from the ear downwards.
Oh yeah, the
3. So it's kind of like a 3 or a backwards 3, so I'm going to blend that up to her forehead, down to her cheek, and then around a little under her jawline as well. Milani Baked Blush in the shade Dolce Pink.
How did you remember that?
Because I am insane. These blushes are really good because they're dimensional, so they're baked with some different tones in there. And so for Jen, she can use this as a blush and it's going to look like she's wearing highlighter as well. So
we're using something like this.
You can go a little easy on blush because you can always add more, but if you add a lot, it's really hard to work it back again. Yeah. Okay. So with blush, we're going to start kind of just on top of where we applied the bronzer, a little more forward. Get it right on the apple of her cheek and then work it back.
Like
so just adding a flush of color, yeah. So the bronzer kind of sits under here, and then
Yeah.
the blush is just above it there.
Okay.
And a little forward. Kind of like an upside down Nike tick. Mm-hmm.
We got the blush on. Next step.
Brows.
Brows? Okay. I got really excited about this when she tried it on me last time.
It's a really great product. This is the Essence Make Me Brow. You're using the shade Dark, I believe. It's got little fibers in it to thicken her brows, and it's going to hold them in place all day, and it's like $3.99.
Okay.
So I always come in here just to make sure, see all those little clumps that happen? I don't want those right at the beginning, the start of the brow. So I come in here,
Okay.
and then when I've got less product on, I can come back and like smooth it all out.
You see a difference
Such
between
a subtle difference.
my brows? That's amazing. All right, let's do some eyes. I've been wanting to get this forever.
Yay.
And
You
Anna,
did it.
she convinced me to finally just buy it. That it's so small that I could bring it traveling, and it just makes it super easy. So I just pick one of the lightest ones to go over everything. This for the lid. I just finished my eyeshadow. I like just, neutral. I know I'm so weird, but I love pencil eyeliner. I can never do the liquid ones that like the Sky High mascara. I don't know, Maybelline, that's what it is. But I don't know, it's been working really good for me. We did the eyes. Our last step, lips.
NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Creme Brulee.
I'm excited.
It's a favorite of many. It suits all. You don't have to have a mirror to put it on. You can just swipe it on.
It looks so good.
Yeah.
Easy makeup. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. I'm probably just gonna rebuy this now every time.
I feel like we've given you some really good steps in between, just like a tinted moisturizer and full-on
Yes.
foundation.
Yes.
It's like the makeup's there, but it's not
Yes.
full glam bot.
Anyways, hopefully this helps. I will link everything in a blog post so you can see what I got, and hope you had fun watching. Bye.